Hey, it's Avery. So today I have a bunch of good stuff. So what it is Beyond Beef, which is the vegan meat, with taco seasoning in it, pinto beans, some Just Ranch, which is a vegan ranch, let me see, lettuce, salsa, chalupa, and another hot sauce because I love hot stuff. And I just make it into a little bowl and mix it up. I do have these chips because sometimes I like to put it on the chips. I have an extra avocado because I like avocado, but only really on Spanish food, honestly. But just mixing it up, and you guys can see it. Oh, I got healthy stuff from the store today. Cause I'm just so tired of eating out at work, honestly. I haven't barely ate today. So I went to work. I came home, took a shower, changed, went to Publix and got groceries. When I was at work, I had ordered Firehouse. I got a turkey sub. That's all. I'm gonna start eating better. So this is the last time I'm probably gonna eat chips for a while. I need a weigh so I can know my start weight. Which I have a gym here, but damn, I can't get this up on this little ass shit. What was I gonna say? Oh, we have a gym here, but there's no scale. So I'll probably weigh at the doctor when I go. So anyways, man, like, I just feel like my life is so boring. I don't do anything. But mainly, since I started this new job because I like it, so I really haven't been doing nothing. I don't want to lose sleep and miss any work. Right now, the baby's at her dad's house, so I'm extra lonely. I'm trying to think of what we can talk about in the videos. So my life used to be so crazy. I'm talking about crazy. I talked before in my videos. One of my good friends I met at a job, His name is Cody, and we used to go out like almost every day. And I'm talking about we would go and we would spend hundreds of dollars on one night, drinking, having fun, just riding around doing whatever. Right. And then 3 days would go by and we'd be like, what the fuck, we haven't even slept. I would end up driving some random person's car. We would end up at house parties. Like, it was crazy. This was before I had my kid. Oh my god. This stuff is so messy. Like, literally. So, I do miss that. Like, we had so much fun. And, but for me, it was not the same because he's gay, so we always went to the gay bars. Anybody who hung out, it was gay guys. So I never, when I went out, I never really got to talk to people or anything like that. It was mainly just going out and hanging out with friends, which is one thing I did like, because a lot of times when women go out, they sleep around and stuff like that. Not everybody, don't get offended, but I definitely miss it. But I did want to go to straight clubs just so I can meet people, because I never go out with anybody. I don't message people. So for me, I'm lonely, and that's fine because you don't need somebody to be happy, but it does get old. I just mix the chips up. It's so much easier because I keep dropping stuff. Like, it would be nice to get flowers at work. And like, I literally, okay, so I wake up, go to work, come home, eat, watch TV, go to bed, and go to work. And then on the weekends, I'll have the baby and I'll chill at the house, take her places, but that's it. I don't have any Jesus, it's the stevia. I don't know why. What's that? But I never burp unless I drink this. What's I gonna say? Oh, because I don't have any friends. The gay friend I did have, you know, we're still really close, but he lives on the other side of town. He kind of does his own thing. So I hate not having friends, but it's hard for me to trust people. I mean, I moved around a lot when I was a kid, so I never really had time to make the same friends. And not make the same friends, like make friends and keep them, basically. So I would just hang out a couple times and do kid stuff, and that was it. So Like, you know how most people have like childhood friends or friends they've known for years? I don't have that, so it does suck. I mean, you have your little Facebook community, but you don't really hang out with them. Well, I don't. Every city is different. I live in Jacksonville, Florida, and most of us are all friends on Facebook, but we don't even know each other. My kid's dad was my best friend for years. We spent every day together, so now I don't have nobody to hang out with. This tastes just like a taco salad, but not as greasy. There's no cheese. Well, I'm not really a fan of cheese that much. It depends on what it's on. I mean, queso is good, but it's just extra calories and it's not healthy. This is vegan though. Everything in it. Which I'm not vegan. But I don't like meat that much. And I don't know, I've just my whole life I haven't liked meat. Like, seafood looks so good. So good. But when it gets in front of my face, I can't eat it. I don't know why. But back to the subject. I was talking to somebody. I guess you can say still am a little bit, but they kind of have their own thing going on. So I don't know how that's gonna work. Which it sucks because I actually do like him, but I mean, when someone is with somebody else, whether they're doing good or bad, you can't interfere with what they have going on, because then he's not gonna be with you for the right reasons. So whatever. This was so good. I mean, I just feel like I'm not gonna find nobody that I like the same as they like me. Like, okay, the people that I like don't like me back, and the people who like me, I don't like back. It's weird. Like, there's guys that will message me, excuse me, and like will stalk me, like, oh, they're not my type. And I'll give it a try, you know. I mean, I haven't hung out with nobody in a long time. The only person I hung out with is the person I just told y'all about. And he's the first person in a long time. Like, I'm talking about, oh shit, the knife broke. I'm talking about in like years. other than my kid's dad. So that's dangerous. I did have an extra avocado, but I didn't need it. But besides all this, what I'm saying is, I just I'll meet up with, like, I met up with one person, and this was like right after I had my kid, and it felt wrong. So after 3 minutes, I was like, oh, I got an emergency, I gotta go. And I never saw them again, because I just feel like I gotta work on myself and my weight in order for me to love myself, so I can love somebody else. And it's hard because you think, okay, well, somebody should love me how I am now. The biggest stomach, no ass, fucking this big. People should like me how I am. But in reality, you know, everybody finds somebody, but you can't look. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing me. It sucks that the one person I actually genuinely really like is with somebody else. And I just felt a connection with him. And like, I didn't even know he was married. And that's the part that sucks, because I liked him before I found out, even though I found out eventually, like, soon as hell. But you know, it sucks, but everything happens for a reason. So you don't know why somebody's put in your life. You don't know what will happen down the road. But it is what it is. So, but I'm gonna start making videos more. I mean, really, I wanted to come home and watch a movie. Like, I was watching Night School with Kevin Hart last night. It was so funny. I fell asleep like before, like 10 minutes before it was over. So I'm going to finish that. I was supposed to start school today. I gotta go check on my classes. Other than that, you know, my life is boring, but I feel like getting back on YouTube and stuff, it will actually give me something to do. I'll start vlogging. I'll start going out more. When I go shopping, so my baby's birthday is Thursday. She's turning 1. I'm going to go shopping for her so I can actually vlog that, which will be probably around either Wednesday night or Thursday morning, because I'm off on Thursday, because they just gave us our new schedules, which I fucking hate, because I love being off on the weekends. But I do love this job, and I want to do whatever I can to try to move up. So what I need to do is just not complain about anything. So even though I didn't like my schedule, I did not say shit to them. And I mean, I did have the highest scores out of everybody, because we have like a production thing, you know, call centers. So not everybody, but my class. So I just need to continue doing that. I know that will make me happy. Just, I'm the type of person that if I'm doing something that I like, then I'll feel happy. So if I'm at work and I'm doing stuff that keeps me busy and I'm getting paid, I'm gonna enjoy it. And my job is very, I'm not gonna say easy, but at least I get to sit down all day and be on the computer. And for my weight, that's perfect for me. And I like it. Eventually, you know, I don't want to sit at a desk forever. I want to be a probation officer, a parole officer. I'm going to school for criminal justice. So we'll see what happens. I just take everything day by day. I don't really plan shit. I'm a random person, honestly. So that's me. But I'll be making another video soon. You know, I'll do one for breakfast. Actually, when I wake up, I'm gonna get dressed and for work, because I go to work at 10.